Hello everyone, today we are going to talk about how to configure MikroTik router. We collect a router, new router. We are going to connect the router using Winbox. So we are opening our Winbox. Then you can see this is the default IP address of a MikroTik router, right? When the MikroTik router is new, that time we can see this IP built-in configuration. So that we are click here and we know our default username of MikroTik router is admin and there is no password. Just we are click connect, right? Okay. Here some default configuration are available. We are going to remove all of the information, then we will do configure from start. So that we are going to reset the router system. To reset configuration, then just click no default configuration, do not backup, then click reset configuration, then yes. Okay, now we can see there is no IP address, right? The router default configuration already removed. So that we can connect our MikroTik router using MAC address. Just click connect. Great. We already contact with our ISP. They give us IP address, subnet mask, gateway and DNS. So we are going to start configuration. So let's start. For assign IP address, we can just click IP to address, then just click plus. Here you can just put the IP address and there is subnet mask 255.255.255.0. that's why we can just use /24. Then interface, actually in which port you are going to use as a uplink in your router, just select the port. Here I am going to use Ethernet 1 as a uplink. Just we plug in our ISP cable in this port. Just plus. We are using Ethernet 1, right? Okay. Then there is a gateway. How to add gateway? Just you can IP to route. Then click plus. Then there is a gateway. Just paste here. Then apply. Okay. Then we can use our DNS. So this is our DNS. How to add DNS? IP to DNS. Then just put here. Then apply. Okay. It shows unreachable, but it will work when we will plug in our ISP cable in this port. Then our ISP IP configuration done. Then we can just use add LAN IP. So just copy here, then IP to address, then click plus, then just put here, and we are going to use our LAN port Ethernet 2. So just select Ethernet 2, then apply. Okay. Now we are going to plug in our ISP cable in our router. Now it seems it's connected, right? Okay, we can check actually internet connectivity are available in our router or not. From terminal we can just ping 8.8.8. just click yes. Internet already available in our router. So our router, is it providing internet in our client PCs? So that we connect Ethernet 2, that's our LAN cable. It's connected to our laptop. So let's put our one of the private IP in our LAN port. Then is it working or not? Okay. We are disabling our Wi-Fi so that there is no internet, right? So we can check, is it internet available in our PC? No internet, right? Okay. So we are going to add LAN IP address in our laptop LAN card. So that just go to the properties, then I'm going to one of the LAN IP like that 192.168.100.1 we use as a gateway, so that in our PCIP you can use 2, 3, 4, 5, 10, right? Whatever we can use within 2 to 254, right? So just we can use it 2, then gateway 192.168.100.1, then DNS we can use the Google DNS, just a click OK, close. Now we can check is the internet available or not. If it's not available, then you can just disable and enable the LAN port, then it will work. Okay, so this is also another troubleshooting, right? We assign LAN IP as well as one IP, so that we need to configure actually net, right? IP firewall, then go to the net, then click plus, then you can go to the action, then go to the masquerade, then apply OK. Now you can just refresh, then it will work, right? So we learned actually how to configure MikroTik router uplink as well as how to solve some problem, as well as if the internet not available, you configure it properly but it's not working, then you can check as well as your firewall setting as well as your LAN interface disable, enable, then it will work. Thank you for watching.